Toastmasters,
Yes,
yes,
good evening.
and Abhishek in particular. Abhishek, today we saw you attempting CC2 from the Competent Communicator Manual, and I'm going to structure my evaluation into three different distinct parts. One is what I liked, what I felt you could have avoided, and one or two points on how you can improve for your next speech, right? After giving a CC1, CC2 focuses on opening with a bang. And in my opinion, you did that very well. A question: how many of you want to be perfect? That is a question which resonates with everyone. Everyone has their own desires, their own ambitions, and they want to do well in their lives. And this really caught the attention of the audience. Great job done on that. But my expectation was raised with that question, and then the moment I heard you say, out of 10 drops I'm giving you only 1 drop, my expectation went down a little bit. I don't have time to give you 10 drops. In my opinion, that could have been avoided. Just move on smoothly and continue into the rest of your speech. I don't need to know that you're giving me only 1 out of 10. Okay? Next, I would like to talk to you about the transitions. The moment after you asked the question of who wants to be perfect, you went into your speech at Delhi. I think that transition was done very well, and the 6 C's of your speech were a part of the speech that you gave in Delhi, right? And the transition from the opening to Delhi speech to the 6 C's was done quite effectively. In your future speeches, what you could probably do, I remember while giving that speech in Delhi, one thought suddenly flashed into my mind, and from there I could recollect some more information which helped me to formulate this speech today. That strings it together much nicer. Whenever I am evaluating a speech, I always look for what is the purpose of the speech. And what I really liked about your speech, within the first 2 minutes, I understood the purpose of your speech is to help me improve my communication. Very clear message, crystal clear, hats off. A small point for improvement. You gave me 6 points. And because of those 6 points, you had to look at your notes. I was evaluating your speech, so I made note of all the 6. In fact, I missed one. Godfrey helped me with that. It would have been a case of reading out a checklist of items. What I would suggest you to do for your future speeches: completeness, clarity, correctness. 3 points, a small story to emphasize each point, and leave it at that. Okay? You could use that for your next speeches. What I liked about the examples, what I liked about the 6 points was that every point had an example with it. But overall, you could reduce that a little. A thing of exquisite beauty is a joy forever. A speech of this quality is a benchmark for the remaining. All the best for your CC3, and